Western Branch Air Force Junior ROTC under the direction of Colonel Clear Chief Master Sergeant Smith. Carrying the American flag is Cadet Major Winter Phipps. Followed by Virginia flag Cadet First Lieutenant Natalia Rapine. The American rifle is carried by Cadet Second Lieutenant Andy Duvall. And the state rifle is carried by Cadet First Lieutenant Jaden Garcia. Please stand as you are able. And gentlemen, please remove your caps. As we honor America, being sung this evening by members of the Western Branch Corps Department under the direction of Ms. Robin Duncan. Congratulations, Tom Roebuck.